we are in the heart of Milano downtown, so all the major companies are coming here. And the purpose of the showroom is to create an area where all the interactive products can be connected together through the IoT technology. The wall has been installed in November 2019. This area is just accessible through an appointment, and our intention is not to show just the wall itself, but to create one exclusive area where the feeling is like to be at home, where we can put together all the technology. On top of the wall, there is Dolby Atmos experience and can be easily managed via a tablet. Milan is like an hub that easily can connect business people, ultra-high net worth individual, people coming from fashion industry, especially during the trade fairs that are close to this area.
Back in October 2019, Samsung opened a retail concession in Harrods on the 5th floor in the Technology Centre. The wall's here in an attempt to put it in front of the Harrods clientele. So if you're genuinely interested in buying, our team here can sit you down and run you through all of the features and benefits that the product will give you and allow you to enjoy it at your own time. The wall that we have on display here is a 146-inch 4K The Wall Luxe. You're able to use it in the same way you would normally use a TV in your home. The difference is you're going to sit down in front of 146 inches of pure awesomeness. The Monaco Luxury Living Lounge is based in Amano Palace, perfect location for the super yacht industry and the ultra high net worth market within Monaco. The windows are open and we're looking straight out at this amazing scenery. The wall is a direct drive LED product, and this means that you can view it in broad daylight.
The Samsung wall brings in a new perspective for refits. It can be brought in small cabinets onto the yacht, where previously we've had to take sections of hull out.
This is open for our business partners to use, to bring their customers in, and for them to close their deals.
Doing this together with Samsung puts us ahead of the curve and ensure the yacht has the most up-to-date technologies when it's delivered.